How to turn up portrait mode on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn up portrait mode on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. So if you want to turn off portrait mode on Snapchat, simply from this camera section you will see different kinds of option at right side of the screen. Simply in order to expand it, you need to tap on the downward facing arrow and here you will get multiple icon again. Simply you need to select the focus option and that should do the trick. So if you want to turn this off again, you need to tap on this icon and it will get turned off. And this is how you can successfully turn off and on portrait mode on Snapchat. That's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.